Take two. First one fucked up, so now I'm trying another one. But I'll put them both up. So this is number 2. Here we go. Let's go fishing. Let's try and catch some fish. Let's go. Here's my 6. Got my 6. Got my 6. Here we go. Oh. I have to stop before it goes all the way across, Nick. I love it. There we go. Let's go. Fishy, fishy in the brook. Grab my fucking hook. All the way over, Nick. God, I love it. You know, when I start using them frogs, you know what they do on the videos, right, Nick? They put them right up on land. They cast them all the way across, and then they jump them off the land. Yeah. Right into the water, right into the mouth of the babes. Yeah. Right into the mouth. Seaweed. Lots of seaweed. Lunch. Look at that, Nick. Right to shore. Right to shore. 6 cents. Ain't no joke. Ah, right in the seaweed, too. Seaweed ain't no joke either. Damn it. Don't go to the other side. It's nothing but seaweed in the edge. I got a mound of seaweed. I got a mound of seaweed. Let's see what this can do. Look at the seaweed I'm pulling, Nick. Ah. Feels like a fish, but it's not. It's a lot of seaweed. All right, we know how good this works. Let's try something else. I don't even know if I'm in the camera. I don't even know if they're seeing me. Let's try something else. Let's try the orange crush. Let's try the crush. Let's try the orange crush. Yes. Here we go. Let's see what the crush can do. Let's see what the crush can do. Here we go. Let's go. I'm not even in the camera, am I? Damn it.
Mark, I'm heading down that way.
Nick, do me one favor. Can you put that camera on me?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Make sure it's on me.
Okay. It's on you.
I know it's on, but
It's on you.
Is it seeing me?
Yes, I see it right now. It's on. It's perfectly on you.
Motherfucker!
I just had to move it a little bit.
All right, thanks.
Yeah. I'm gonna head over this way.
Yep.
I'm back.
Take pictures of fish.
Yeah.
Every picture. It don't count if you catch one. Don't take a picture.
I will. I'm just gonna, I'm gonna work my way all the way down.
I know what you do. I'll see you when you get back.
Yep.
I'll see you on the other side.
Yeah.
I'll probably see you on the other side.
Yeah.
By the time it's ready to leave, you'll be coming around.
Oh, I don't know if I'm going over there.
Why not?
Riding the bike down.
If you want to, shit.
I'm gonna start over here.
Try my new one. Try my new. Look at this pretty motherfucker. Yes, that is pretty, ain't it? That is pretty. Yes, it is. Let's go. Let's see what this can do. Let's see what this can do. And get it entangled. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see what this can do. Damn it, if I keep it untangled long enough. The only thing I like about these, I'm so shaky. Call me Mr. Shaky from the meds or whatever. I'm a shaky motherfucker. Gotta
bullfrog over here. He should brought a spear. He should brought a spear. Huh. Let's go. Seaweed. Seaweed. Lots of seaweed. Lots of seaweed. Lots and lots of seaweed. Lots and lots of seaweed. I should have brought what I caught him on the other day. Swimming rag. Swimming rag like a swimming rag. Almost ran out of line. Let me check my ugly stick. Let me check the ugly stick. See what's going on with this. It's got a regular worm. It's got a regular worm. Regular worm on there, little worm motherfucker. Just gonna let it sit up there. Hopefully it'll catch itself. Let's hope it'll catch itself, brother. Give me a little drink of water. Oh, that's good. That's good. What do I want to use now? Let me try this again. Let me try this bad boy again. My green machine. My little green machine. Let's try this. Let's try this. Put a spoon on there. Let's see what kind of luck this. Let's see if this catches me a bass. Let's see what this will catch me. Got a sidearm. Got a sidearm. I got too much line on this, I think. Yeah, got too much line. Too much line. You know what? I don't even like the way this casts. I'm gonna reel it in. It's tangling an awful lot. So we ain't gonna use this right now. We're gonna put this one up. I'm going back to the Orange Crush. I love my crush. I love my crush. Right out there by where I caught them before, right there. Right by that barrel. Barrel of fry. Yeah, yeah. All right. Nice. Felt big, huh? Oh, got the tree. Got the tree. Damn it. No. Ah.
Thank God. Thank you, Lord, for sparing me of that nasty, nasty fuck up that would have been. Nick's got him a fish already. I just went over my other pole. Let's go. Let's go. Am I over there or not? Nope. What is it, a bass? Nice. Nice. Nick caught one. Pitchers. What'd you catch it on? Chatterbait? Caught it on chatterbait. Yeah, yeah. That's what he uses. That's his shit. That's what Nick likes. Huh? Take a picture. Yeah, a lot of them do that. Got a fish inside his mouth. Come on, baby. I know they're under the tree. I know they're there. I know. The bluegill coming up top right here, over here, feeding off the top right now. They're feeding right now, the bluegills are. Yeah? Ouch! God damn it. Sorry, Lord. Pinched my finger. Pinched me finger. Switching up again. Switching up. Come on. There we go. I haven't even named this. I name my rods and reels. What should I name her? What should I name her? Somebody give me an idea what I should call this little bad boy. This little bad girl, I should say. I name my, they're all girls. They're all girls because they're stubborn. You know what I mean? Stubborn. Morning.
Morning.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm great, thank you.
What you catching?
I'm trying to catch bass. Or the tree. I'm catching the tree a lot.
I do that a lot.
Love the tree monsters. I'm trying for the bass.
There you go.
Come on. Uh-oh, I might have lost this one. I might lose this battle. Ah. You know what? I'm gonna let this slide right here for now. Damn it. Because I don't want to mess around. I'm going to check out the ugly stick. Let's see what got anything biting on the ugly stick at all. We don't. Nothing biting on the worms. Nothing. Huh. Falling off. It doesn't look like he's chomped on though. No, he's just falling off. That worms never fall off. What is up with that? Try again. Let's try again. Straight up. Straight up. There's that. Need another drink. It's kind of warm out here. Ah, fucking tripod, friggin' tripod. Let's go over here. Let's go over here and fish. There we go. So, I am an inexperienced angler. Calling myself an angler now. Even though it's my first year using these awesome poles. And I wish I brought another rubber band because I know that looks crazy, but what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? All right, so let's switch back to the crush. I love using my crush. This is one of my favorite poles. This is my favorite pole. This is my favorite pole. See me in there? Yeah. Oh yeah, okay. I can't tell because I have my glasses on and I can't see for shit. Blind man fishing. Give me Braille. Is there a fish? Is there a fishing pole for Braille? I swear to God there is. I swear to God there's gotta be. Oh, they cast so nice. These poles are so friggin' nice. So friggin' nice, man. They're awesome. I mean, I can stand way back here. I don't even know why I'm standing way up there. I have no idea. I can stand way back here and cast it all the way across the pond. No problem. No effort. Just flick of the wrist. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, baby, bye-bye. All right, I'm gonna shut up for a little while. I wish I brought my boombox. Maybe the fish need a little bit of music. You know what I'm saying? Maybe they need a little bit of music. Make them happy. Maybe they need a little bit of music. Beautiful. Perfect cast every time. Perfect cast every time. The crush, baby. The crush. You can't beat the crush. You can't beat the orange crush. No, you can't. I'm trying to tell the fish that. Nick's one up on me, bastard. The bastard's one up on me. There we go. Let's go. Come on. Help me out here, Lord. Help me out here, Lord. Let me catch one. Let me catch one. Nick's over there talking shit because he got a fish already. Shit talking. Shit talking. Alright, I'm about to try my 6 again. About to try my 6 out again. 6 cents, baby. Great fucking pole. Great pole and great reel. Or no, actually this is not. This is my fakie. I call it my fakie because it's a DC that I bought over from China. And it doesn't say DC on it, but it's got everything the DC does. It casts like the DC. It's got the brain in there like the DC. And it only cost me half the price. Half the price. This setup right here is, well, the pole I think was like 150, 6 cents. 6 cents pole, baby. You can't beat these poles. I love this pole. With a cheap but expensive reel. This is a $200 reel I got for like 60 bucks. Yes, 60 bucks. Ordered it in China. It took like a month to get here, but I'll tell you what. Bang, bang. It's great. It is great. It launches. If I don't stop it, I'll lose line. Because this thing will launch an easy football field. Easy football field. I love it. I love it. Nothing biting. Nothing biting. Not over here, anyways. I'm not one to keep moving. But this is what I got on there. This is what I'm using right here. That's what I got. Little blue trail on there. Little blue trailer. And I just launch. Goodbye. Goodbye, baby. And it stops itself. I don't even have to stop it if I don't want to. I don't even have to stop it. Let's catch some. Let's go. Let's go. Look at this baby. Look at this pretty ass reel. Yes, it is. 6 cents. Can't give them enough plugs, man. They make great shit. They make great stuff. Great stuff. Sitting down.
Launched it all the way across. All the way across. Yeah, let me turn it. Let me turn this so you guys can see better where I'm casting out. Show you guys where I'm casting. I got my new one stuck in the tree. Yeah, my new one's stuck in the tree. I ain't trying to rip it out yet. I ain't trying to lose it. I'll go get my kayak, put that in here, and go get my shit. I ain't trying to lose no lures. I ain't trying to lose no lures. You hear that, right? Yeah, it's computer chips, baby. That's the real deal. That's the real shit. Yes, this is a DC, even though don't say DC on it. It's from China. And it's the shit. It's the shit. Look at that launch, baby. Woo! Look at that launch. Let's bring it down a little bit. Let's bring it down a little bit. So everybody can see what I'm doing. Let's see what I'm doing. What is he doing? He ain't catching no fucking fish. Where are these motherfuckers? Sorry about the language. I'm a cusser. I'm a cusser. Ain't gonna lie. Back's killing me. Should have bought my brace. Should have bought my back brace. Forgot it. Forgot it again, of course. Let's see how far we can launch. Did you see that? I hope you got that. I hope I got that. Effortless. Fucking effortless. Let's go, baby. Come on. Fishy, fishy in the pond. Please. Get on my trailer. Please get on my trailer. Not even getting a fight. What the hell's going on? What's going on? Ooh, she's tangling up a little bit. Tangling up a little bit. No good. Loose line. I have very loose line. New line, loose line. Sucks. Shit. Loose line is not good line. And it is brand new line. There we go. Back on track, baby. Back on track. Can't believe we're not catching fish yet. Can't believe I have not caught a fish yet. Let's go. Let's go. Let me check out the ugly stuff. Let me check out the ugly. Let me check out my ugly girl. I need a camera person. I need an apprentice. I need an apprentice. Is that what you call somebody that follows you around in the camera? What do they call that guy? Camera guy. I need a camera guy. Yeah, worm's still on there. Like I said, my worms don't come out. My worms do not come out. Back over here. Somebody put that for me. Thank you, whoever it was. Thank you for putting that there. Appreciate it.
Bound to catch something. Bound to catch something. God, this thing looks crazy. This thing looks crazy today. Crazy. Crazy. I wish I brought 2 rubber bands. Damn, I wish I brought 2 rubber bands. What do I want to try now? Actually, I'm going to take a little bathroom break. So, video number 1.